Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello friends, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC geography question. So, in this session, we added a new part that is about a prediction for 2025. What are the possible questions they may ask for 2025 based on the analysis of the previous year question? At the same time, based on the current affair, we are guessing these. These are the possible things they may ask for 2025. So, please make a note of it. That will be more useful for your upcoming prelims exam. Let's begin the session. So this question was asked in 2021. Again, it is one of the factual question which is actually asking about what are the rivers that are rising in the Eastern Ghats. So first is Brahmani. Brahmani is a major seasonal river in the Odisha, the state of Eastern India. Brahmani is formed by the confluence of the Sunk and the South Koil River near Roorkela. Okay, together with the river Baitrani, it forms the large delta before emptying in the Bay of Bengal at Dharma. Okay, Damra. So Brahmani is actually not rising in Eastern Ghats, which means it is actually rising near to the Roorkela, which is actually the plateau region. So it is not rising in the Eastern Ghats. Next, Nagavalli. The river Nagavalli is also known as Lagulya. Is one of the main river in the southern Odisha and northern Andhra Pradesh state between the Rusikulya and the Godavari basin. Nagavalli river originates in Kalahandi districts in the Eastern Ghats. So it belongs to the Eastern Ghats. So Nagavalli is actually belongs to Eastern Ghats, but Brahmani is not belongs to the Eastern Ghats. Next is Subarnarekha. When it comes to Subarnarekha, it is actually originates from the Ranchi plateau in Jharkhand, forming a. So it is actually in the Ranchi plateau. So this is also not belongs to the Eastern Ghats. Okay. So in the Jharkhand, between the West Bengal and the Odisha, its lower coast, okay, it joins the Bay of Bengal, forming an estuaries between the Ganges and the Mahanadi Delta. The total length is 395 km. Next, Vamsadhara. So it is the east flowing river that originates in the Kalahandi districts of Odisha, Eastern Ghats, flows in the Odisha along its boundary of Andhra Pradesh, and it finally joins the Bay of Bengal at Kalingapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. It is the main river of the northeastern Andhra Pradesh regions, and the Bodipalli Rajagopalan Rao project. Bodipalli Rajagopalan Rao project was constructed on it to meet the irrigation needs of the region. So Vamsadhara it actually belongs to the Eastern Ghats. Okay, so the answer is actually Brahmani belongs to the Eastern Ghats, and then Brahmani is not. Nagavalli belongs to the Eastern Ghats, and then the Vamsadhara belongs to the Eastern Ghats, whereas Subarnarekha belongs to the Ranchi plateau. Okay, and the Nagavalli is not belongs to that. Okay, so the answer here is 214 B. So in the same pattern, what they may ask for 2025 is this: that Sel River. Why the Sel River is actually in use is because the species of fish, Sel snakehead, it is actually a fish. Okay, shell snakehead was rediscovered in the Shell River after being considered extinct for 85 years. So only that Sel River is in the news. Okay, so only they may ask about any question related to the Sel River. So this shell snakehead fish was extinct for the 85 years. Now they rediscovered it. So there is a possibility of the question they may ask about the Shell River. So that it flows through the Dwar regions of the northwest Bengal. The district covered are Jalpaiguri and Alipur Dwar. Okay, it is originate in the eastern Himalayan foothills. So it is actually the seasonal tributary of Tista River. So Shell River is actually the tributary of the Tista River. It is characterized by the small river but ecologically important due to the biodiversity and the Himalayan food stream. So they may ask any question related to the Shell River. It is actually belongs to the West Bengal and also it is a tributary of the Tista River. The discovery emphasized the ecological value of the lesser known river and calls for the conservation of the minor Himalayan streams. Highlighted the threat of habitat degradations and pollution and lack of river monitoring in the small rivers. So there is a possibility of a question they may ask related to the Shell River. Next is about Ramjal Sedu Link Project, the major river interlinking project in Rajasthan, aimed to connect the rivers like Chambal, Kali Sindh and other tributaries, intended to solve the water scarcity problem in the eastern Rajasthan. So they may ask any question related to the Ramjal Sedu Link Project. So already there are many river interlinking projects. Okay. So in that way, there is a possibility for the Ram Sedu Link Project. So please make a note of it. Ram Sedu project is between the aim to connect the rivers between Chambal, Kali Sindh and other tributaries. And also it is in the Rajasthan. Okay. In the state of Rajasthan, they are going to go for this Ramjal Sedu project. Next is about Zeelam River. So Zeelam River is also in the news. So it is actually rising in the Verinag in the spring. Okay, at the foot of the Pir Panjal range in Jammu and Kashmir. It flows through the Srinagar, Ular Lake, enter Pakistan administered Kashmir and joins the Chenab River in Pakistan. So Shell River. Okay, next is about the Ramjal Sedu Link Project and then the Chenab River. Okay, sorry, Zeelam River. So these are the possible questions. These are the possible rivers they may ask for 2025 because all these rivers are in news. So please make a note of it. There is a possibility of the question from these rivers. Okay, thank you.